Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is reverie. Let's discover what this poetic word means. Reverie is a pleasant state of being lost in your thoughts or imagination. It's a peaceful moment when your mind drifts into dreams and happy ideas. Here's an example. She sat by the window in quiet reverie, imagining all the places she hoped to visit one day. This means she was peacefully lost in her thoughts and dreams about the future. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word reverie? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!